Hey beautiful humans, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Rica. It is January 1st, 2021, and I am going to get my shit together. And I just want to take this time to thank all 170 of you guys who have subscribed to me in 2020. With that said, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button and join the gang. For today's video, I have literally cleaned out my closet 4 times within the last year, and I still feel like I can get rid of more stuff, but I have a really bad habit of clinging on to clothes, especially ones that don't fit me anymore. But I want to expand my wardrobe this 2021. I forgot to mention, if those who have watched before, yes, I moved apartments. And I can't do that if there's 2,000 plus shirts hoarding space in my closet. I'm going to split the clothes up into 2 piles, a sell and a donate pile. If you guys want to purchase any of the clothes I'm going to be selling, here is my Instagram right here. That's not even the hardest part yet, and I'm already worn out. Oh. I've broken like 20 hangers now. These are shoes.
Why do I have so much fucking clothes? Jeez, these hangers are so annoying. Should I keep this? Yes, no, I can squeeze into this when I lose 10 pounds. You hoarder. Ouch, did I just hit myself with a hanger? I hope I got that on camera. Who the fuck created hangers? God, I have so much to edit already.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's already night outside. Oops. So I separated my colored hangers and my white hangers, so I got those up. I'm gonna put these in the closet now. And then for my clothes rack, I got these super cute velvet hangers from Dollar General that I'm gonna put my clothes rack. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys the progress. That's a big jumble of mess is the clothes I'm going to keep. I'm probably gonna go through those 1 or 2 more times just to make sure that I want to clear things out, because I do have a hoarding problem with clothes. And then these clothes right here, I'm going to try to sell. Those I'm giving away. And then these shoes I haven't even touched yet. Let me go ahead and get these out of the way, and I'm gonna tackle that once more. Sell or give away. Yeah, that's a trick that my mom taught me. If you ever go shopping and you want to see if something's worth even trying on, you can take the pants and wrap it around your neck. If it wraps around your neck, then it fits. If it doesn't, then it doesn't fit. Just a little trick, saves people lots of time. Going through everything. I have finally decided what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping. That was so hard. That was so hard. Next, what even is next? I guess we put them on the hangers, I guess. Okay, let's go. For now, that is all that I'm gonna put in the clothing rack. I'm gonna hopefully get more pieces to put on there. Now, I need to tackle this guy. I have so many sweatshirts, like geez. I need some more big t-shirts. I just need more clothes. I need more pieces. I don't even know what my aesthetic is. My friends say that I have like a 70s, 80s, vintage, urban style-ish. I don't really know what to classify my aesthetic. This isn't even mine, this is Ainsley's. Ainsley, go on, if you're watching this, if you want this back, let me know. Wondering where I got this rack from? I got it from Amazon. My forces are like the only shoes that I ever wear. Here is the closet. And here is the clothing rack. Yes. So pretty and organized. It's not a video if Ryder's not in it. Okay. So, I am exhausted. I got rid of a lot of my, I got rid of the majority of my clothes, which I'm proud about because a lot of that stuff I've been like holding on to and I've been needing to get rid of it. That is all that I have for you guys today. If you wanted to go check out some of the clothes that I'm going to be selling, here is my Insta. and I have a lot of good stuff coming for 2021, so make sure to like this video, subscribe, comment anything that you guys want to see from me. On that note, I am out.